Just a quick disclaimer before we get started, it is a little bit noisy in the bakery, so the audio is a little bit rough.
Hi, and welcome to Happycakes.
It's Ashley from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and you guys asked for a Happycakes bakery tour, so here it is.
I'm just going to give you a quick tour of my layout and how we make things, and it's going to be a great time. These are all our cupcakes. We display them in these acrylic showcases.
And she has an incredible array of flavors here. To start off, she has the BC Becky, which is her award-winning flavor that she made on the Food Network. It's basically a vanilla confetti cake with triple berry compote filling, fresh strawberry buttercream topped with confetti. Then she has her seasonal cupcake flavors, bubblegum, banana split, and raspberry pistachio. And then she has her unfilled cupcakes. It's My Party, chocolate sprinkle, pretty in pink, in chocolate or vanilla. She also has the Coco Loco, red velvet, mint chocolate, vanilla sprinkle, chocolate delight, and for her filled cupcake, she has Veal Razzie, Caramelicious, Strawberry Sundae, Raspberry Cream, Lemon Lust, Chocolate Truffle, which is my personal favorite, Black Forest, the Franklin, Strawberries and Cream, Chocolate Cheesecake, Chocolate Coconut, and Boston Cream.
This is our POS system where we bring everything in.
This has definitely seen a major upgrade since it used to be a giant computer, which was super hard to work with. This is very clear.
This is our wall of beautiful display cakes, and we also use it as storage. We keep boxes and kind of extra stuff hidden down below. Around this way, and this is usually all fully stocked, but we've been very busy today. We store all of our boxes underneath here, so when a customer comes, you can just pull out a box and grab your cupcakes. Here is just more storage. We keep boxes and
What do you use the straws for?
cupcake flavors that have straws in them.
Rachel recently did a huge upgrade to her bakery, so there's a lot more storage areas than I've ever seen before, which is fabulous. I love it when the storage just looks beautiful as well.
This is our photo booth. It just kind of makes us, I just got a little IKEA countertop with a white backdrop, and that's where we take our photos. This is our Alia. She does this sometimes. We're going to waste. These are our ovens. We have 4, and they're all amazing. Storage. And we'll have the back of the bakery. These are our 2 mixers. This one we always use for making our buttercream. It's a little bit of a disaster right now because we're making buttercream. And this one we do our baking in, which Heather does for us. Hi! This is my pride and joy, my sprinkle wall. I got it from IKEA. It's just like one of those pegboards, and I put all my sprinkles on it, and it's very important to me, and I love it so much. These are my KitchenAids. I have several, and I have one tattooed on my body. I like them. This is how I organize all of our cutters and stuff. I just, again, went to IKEA, got these bins, and organized them by style, and just throw them on here. So we put out about 30 to 35 different cupcake flavors a day. So that means we have a lot of buttercream flavors. So that means we have a lot of buttercream bowls. So we make all of our buttercream in batches of vanilla, and then we do individual bowls of flavor. This is another pegboard that I have set up, and it's where I keep all of our fondant tools, our paints, our smoothers. Order forms always go up here. And we love The Office. Everything is an Office reference.
You guys know I like to watch Friends when I'm cake or cookie decorating. Comment down below, what TV shows are you watching? Or maybe you're listening to music.
As I mentioned, we watch The Office a lot here. So this year we decided to keep track of how many times we make it through the whole series. So this is a very important thing here at Happycakes.
That is hilarious.
This is just a quick list that we wrote up for reminders for things that need to be done at the end of the night. We also have a big binder that kind of holds everything that needs to be done, but this is just a summary. This is our whiteboard where we write down everything we need to order. It's a mess because there's a lot I need to order. This is where we store all of our cake boards. It's not very exciting, but it is cake boards. We pump out about 300 to 400 cupcakes a day here in the storefront, plus all of our orders, and we do about like 50 to 80 cakes a week, depending on the week. Yeah, it's busy, it's fun, I'm stressed all the time, but it's wonderful. So that's my bakery. It's super super amazing that this is my life. It's really cool that I get to do this. It's such a dream.
It's so amazing to see the exponential growth that this bakery has gone through. Now let's get into the subscriber submission of the day. This was sent to me by @SweetTouches by Tiffany. How amazing are these super dark black, roses, and red buttercream? Probably the hardest buttercream colors to make. So be sure to drop them a like, comment on their photo, and also follow them on Instagram. And if you would like one of your dessert photos featured on this channel, be sure to follow me on Instagram @SDBakeShop, where you can either tag me or message me any of the photos that you would like featured, and any and all levels are welcome. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading weekly, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye!